So today, manonood kami ng Hello, Love Again. We're ready to go. So fit check muna. How about mommy? Dito na kami.
Gusto mo na popcorn?
Hindi na. Yan. Cinema 1. First timer.
Video pala.
Wala nga lang pa-poster dito sila oh. Ang aga namin, nililinis pa daw yung sinihan.
Time the cinema na.
So many subjects, she must feed them.
Ayan. Kasi na may sarili siya upuan. Medyo malayo pala yung upuan namin, Besh. We're done watching na. Ang rating namin is 4/5. Bye!